This lad right here, Alexander, has made $5.8 million doing this. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go and make this from suddenly day one or overnight, but he has been doing this for years. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start off small. I'm talking about making $20 per day, scaling up to $50, then $100, then $200 per day, and scaling more and more from there. It is going to take time. It's not something that if you start now, you'll suddenly become a $5.8 million owner overnight. It doesn't work like that. But I'm going to foundation this entire business model for you in this video so you can get started with something like this, hopefully replicating this kind of success if you're going to pursue this for the next couple of years. Without further ado, let's get into this video. What's going on YouTube? My name is Jay and I'm a drop service and affiliate marketer from South Africa, running a full-time business online and documenting that journey here on my channel so you can get some exclusive insights into that. So if you want to follow that journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one so you can beat the competition and make the most money online. But we're going to hop straight into my computer so I can outline and show you this amazing strategy so you can get started and replicate this. The best part about this works in Nigeria, it works in Philippines, it works in the States, it works in South Africa, it works in Asia, it works in any country in the world. So wherever you are, you can participate into this business model and make an income online in your currency. And if you stick until the end of this video, I'm going to show you a little secret that you can use to actually find a system that will do the work for you. And also on the screen here somewhere, this is the winner of my $5 giveaway. In my previous video, I'm doing a giveaway in every video to help you guys out and win some paper money. So if you want to learn how to win that $5 giveaway, all I want you to do is I want you to count how many times I say the word Shutterstock in this video, starting from second number 1. The first person to comment down below the right answer, I will pin you or put you in tomorrow's video stating you as the winner, and then we'll send you your $5 to your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. But let's hop into my computer and get straight into this. And what's also great about the strategy, you can do this from home using your mobile phone. So you don't need any laptop or anything for this. It will help, but you can do this with a phone as well. And as promised, if you stick until the end of this video, I'm going to show you and also give you a done for you system that will help you do this automatically. So the one website we're going to be using is Shutterstock.com, where you can find a ton, hundreds of thousands of stock videos that are paid and a couple of free ones. So top companies all over the world use this kind of content for AdWords, for digital marketing, for Facebook ads, for any kind of content that they want in their business. Some people even use this for films or for the YouTube channels. So there are constantly people looking for this kind of free stock images and videos for whatever use they want to do. So just to quickly show you, if I come over to a website called similarweb.com and I copy the Shutterstock link and I go and paste this into SimilarWeb, I'm going to give you an idea of how many people actually visit this website. So you can see here, Shutterstock is currently the 424th largest website in the world and second in its category of hobbies and leisure, specifically photography. And they are currently getting about 82 million views and hits per month. That is a lot of traffic. So these are all people looking for stock images, looking for stock content, and we are going to get a piece of pie using this exact new strategy that I'm going to show you in this video so we can make a good income online. And why people do this is because it's way cheaper to come onto this website, purchase a little stock image or stock video than to hire a professional photographer or a videographer to record and take these pictures, and it just ends up being a ton cheaper for these businesses or people coming onto Shutterstock instead. So no, you're not going to be taking any photos or doing anything like that on this website. You don't need a big company like any of these over here. You can be a single person like you and still make a big income online using this. And you don't have to take any of these photos yourself. You can if you want to. If you are a passionate photographer, you can do that too. But as I said, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can have a done for you system doing this for you so you don't need to do any of the hard work yourself. So what exactly are we going to be doing here? We are going to become photographers and videographers for Shutterstock.com. Now I know that sounds like a mission and insane to do, but I'm going to show you how you can get tons of content, all the video content, all the photos, actually sell that on Shutterstock completely for free and literally make free money online. However, we obviously need to go and find good quality content, good quality videos, good quality images, and I'm going to show you how you can get all of that for free with no copyright so you can claim these photos as yours and use them on Shutterstock. So how this works is millions of people are viewing this website on a monthly and weekly and daily basis, as we saw. So we are going to be posting our images on the site and we can actually sell that on Shutterstock. If people come onto the website and they like our photo, they purchase it, we get all the money for that. So this is where the power of volume, consistency, and a bit of long-term effort into this can turn into a big snowball effect. Let's say you start off day one, you post one picture. over time. Let's say you're posting daily now for 2 months. That's 60 pictures that you've got on Shutterstock. So that increases your chances, or earning chances, by 60 times. So the more and more you post, because remember, you can earn from photos that you've posted years back, which kind of adds up to why these people are earning a total of $5.8 million. It all becomes a snowball effect, and it just takes long-term effort and consistency into this. And remember, the same image can sell over and over again. So one picture can sell 100 times. If you've got 60 pictures that are selling once or twice, even a couple of times, multiple pictures can be earning multiple sales, which ends up being multiple streams of income from multiple different images. So the next platform we want to visit is submit.shutterstock.com, where we can share our work and actually start earning. But remember, we don't have to take any photos ourselves. If you are a photographer, you're welcome to do that too, and you can join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money online doing what you love. So all you can do is you can create content, but remember, I'm going to show you how to get all of these high quality images and videos for free for your customers to download. You submit that, you get paid, and you can also get paid to refer other people to Shutterstock.com. This website has paid more than $1 billion so far. So over the last 15 years, they have paid $1 billion to all their members or community on Shutterstock selling photos. So just to show you some of the countries that are actually accepted into this, if I come over here to the join our global community, see our global earnings. It's going to take us to this website over here where you can see they've paid out 1 billion. You can see what they've paid out over the past 15 years since 2004, which has just been over $1 billion. And just to show you, Europe's top earner is 5.8 million at a total of 105 million. If I scroll down, there's Asia, 26 million, North America, even South America, Brazil. If I come down more South America, Oceania, Australia. If I come down to more Africa, Nigeria. So there's people from every continent in the world earning from this website, which is why this is amazing, because it's worldwide. So I'm going to take you through the sign up process. You need to come to the top of the page of the Submit Shutterstock website and click on Get Started, which will take you to a page like this where you've got to enter your full name, your display name, which is kind of like a username, your email address, and your password. You then need to verify your email. You click on Next, and it will pop up with a page like this where you've got to enter your country, your address, your mailing address, and from there you're going to submit a few pictures onto the Shutterstock website so they can approve you as a photographer or a videographer. So before I go and show you how to get all of this content completely for free that you can use to submit and become a photographer and videographer on this site, make sure to leave a like on this video if you're enjoying it so far. I will really appreciate that support, just to show some love, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll reply to your comments and always heart my comments down below. So the website we're going to be using is idplr.com, and you can actually find stock videos, stock photos such as snow 4K stock videos, rain 4K stock videos, dog 4K stock videos, cats, lakes, water, ocean, animation, background, insects, animal, fun, aerial, food, food again, and more content on this kind of thing. So let's go and download one of these and have a look at the kind of content they have. So I've gone and downloaded this rain 4K stock videos just to show you what this kind of content looks like, so you can get an idea of how professional looking this looks like and why people will be interested in this kind of thing. So a lot of people use, let's say, rainy days, raindrops, thunderstorms, water, anything like that for, let's say, whether it's a sad film, or they want to use it for stock videos, for anything that they want really. They will come over to Shutterstock, and let's have a look at one of these. So let's take a look at this thunderstorm video. You can see this is a video with no copyright issues that you can use completely for free. Let's take a look at this one. If I skim through it, you can see it's pretty professional looking. Let's have a look at this one here, which is about rain. You can see this is a nice 4K video with like rain, little river that's been made. So it's very professional looking and high quality stock videos that we can go and use and submit as a contributor on Shutterstock and get paid for that. And to find more content on this, just come over to the product section, come over to graphics, and you can go with Resell Rights. So we can click on that. So these are products you can download and actually resell yourself. You have been given the rights to do this. So you can see here's an evergreen informatics pack, a more miscellaneous stock photos, abstract images, abstract image collection, more stock photos. So there's tons of graphics on here that you can use to go and resell onto stockphotos.com. So regarding IDPLR, you only get 2 free premium downloads. Then after that, you've got to pay a once-off amount to access all 12,000 products. So what you can do is you can use your 2 free downloads to download some videos, some images and that, like a whole collection, post it on Shutterstock. Whatever sales you get, you can use to reinvest into IDPLR.com
So you can upgrade your membership, which is a once-off fee, so there's no monthly payments or anything like that, which is great. And then you unlock all 12,500 pro products, graphics, and all the different products on this website that you can use to resell. So that was my video today. I hope you got a lot of value from this. I hope you learned something from today's video, and if you're going to try this, let me know how it goes. I'd really like to hear your thoughts and what kind of results you get from this. But don't forget to comment down below how many times I said the word Shutterstock in this video. Remember, the first person that gets it right will win $5, and I'll announce that in tomorrow's video. And also on the screen, I'll leave a playlist to help you guys out make some more money online and grow your online brand. So I will leave my affiliate marketing playlist on the screen where you can learn how to sell affiliate products with different methods like this and make a good income online without actually owning the product yourself. Very handy, lots of value, lots of giveaways in these videos. So make sure you go and click on this on the screen, and I will see you there.